So usually these magnets come in, two of these for $1. You can get these pretty much anywhere. I did put a link to where I got ours from in the Thingiverse posting. But basically, long story short, they're just basic ceramic magnets. The whole concept is that they will fit inside of this hole, and they are built around being a snug fit. So what I was trying to explain in the write-up is you definitely want to do it as a even installation, going back and forth, and essentially once you've got it started, you can effectively push them in. And if you're really smart, you use a rubber hammer. If you're not smart like myself, then you just push them in with your thumbs as hard as you can go. Anyway, there you go. So that's it. So now we've got it mounted. You can see that it's pretty much dead on in the middle. That's what you want, because these side edges are going to clip in, and then we want to make sure that those edges are available for the clips to hold on, and not have the magnet pushing out on those at any way. That's it.